Ginger is a great expectorant that can aid in treating whooping coughs. It can also contain antibacterial effects that can help in destroying the bacteria that can lead to this health issue. In addition, it contains immune-boosting properties that can aid a lot in helping to fight against and beat off the disease and boost the recovery process. There are 3 ways you can make use with ease right at the comfort of your own home with the help of ginger to deal with and beat off the signs and symptoms of whooping coughs. First, boil 2 tsps of fenugreek seeds in 2 cups of water until the amount of the water is reduced by half. After that, add to 1 cup of the prepared fenugreek decoction with 1 teaspoon of freshly extracted ginger juice and a little raw honey. Consume this solution once per day for 2-3 days. Another option is to mix equal amounts of onion juice, lemon juice, and ginger juice. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture 2 to 3 times per day. Alternatively, mix together a tablespoon each of freshly extracted ginger juice and raw honey. Take this 2 times per day for 2-3 days or more if needed. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.